In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up conversation intelligence on Hubspot. Let's begin by logging into your Hubspot account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate over to the Sales Hub. You can do this by looking at the top menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Sales. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, proceed to click on Conversations, which will lead you to another menu. Within this submenu, look for Intelligence. Selecting this will take you to the section where all the magic happens. At this point, you should see an option that says Enable Conversation Intelligence, or simply Turn On. Click on that to launch the Conversation Intelligence feature within HubSpot. This feature is designed to capture and analyze your conversation with prospects and clients, providing valuable insights and data in one place. Next comes the crucial step of integrating your calling tools. HubSpot allows you to either connect existing tools or use HubSpot's own calling feature. This step ensures that all your telephonic conversations are logged within HubSpot. Look at the integration options and choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're using another calling platform, ensure that it's compatible with HubSpot and follow the on-screen instructions carefully to link the accounts. Remember, this integration is fundamental to enabling seamless recording and transcription of conversations. Once your calling tools are in place, the next step is to take a closer look at the permissions and settings for call recording and transcription. This part is essential for both compliance and functionality. Review the permissions thoroughly to make sure that all legal requirements are met. Consult the relevant compliance guidelines if necessary. Also, familiarize yourself with the settings options to customize how calls are recorded and transcribed. HubSpot offers various settings to suit different business needs, so take a moment to explore these and adjust them according to your organizational requirements. With all the preparations in place, you're ready to start making calls. As you initiate these calls, rest assured that HubSpot will automatically capture and analyze each conversation. This enables you to gather valuable insights and data points that can drive better decision-making and enhance customer interactions moving forward. It's like having an extra pair of ears that helps you focus on what matters most without worrying about missing important details. And there you have it. Setting up conversation intelligence on HubSpot is a structured yet straightforward process that, when put into practice, can transform how you interact with clients and prospects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in optimizing your HubSpot experience.